Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we are seeing more of a continuation of the up move. US also saw further new highs on indices, uh, mainly driven by the tech stock, and also the statement from the uh, minutes of the Fed has also indicated that the rates cut what was expected is on the path. Uh, so dollar index came off, and that has resulted into various commodity also moving up. Uh, Oil is up by around $0.5, whereas other commodities like aluminum, copper, all are up. Iron ore is up by almost around 1.5%, and steel is up by around 1%. Apart from that, even the Asian markets are also giving positive indications, and Indian market futures are also indicating that the positive opening can happen in today's trade. So all in all, seems like we are opening on a higher side. We had seen last 3 days of up move, so quite possible that at higher level some profit booking can come. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. We saw yesterday market in trading in upper range and close above the important level. That's for 24 250 range. And last few trading session, we saw that trade Nifty trend in upper range only. In next immediate resistance place around 24 370. If Nifty sustain this range above closing basis, then we expect further rally towards 24 440 and then 24 500. Flip side, 24 200 is a major support for index. Last three trading session we saw that Nifty managed to sustain these level in closing basis. So we expect this is an important support for Nifty, 24 200 and then 24 140. So today we expect open a gap up note and remain a positive during the day. Bank Nifty also looks positive. Yesterday we saw the smart rally in upside, and Bank Nifty also given a good breakout in line chart. We expect this momentum to be continued towards 53 370, and above that then we expect 53 640 and 53 800 in next immediate level for Bank Nifty. First immediate support place around 52 700 and then 52 340, the major support for Bank Nifty. So we expect both index in positive in today's session. We closely watch is support range. If today and after this weekend, this week close this above important range, then we further expect upside in next week also. Stock basic Fin Nifty also given a good run up in last few trading session, and this trading above the important level, that is 23 900. And we expect next immediate resistance around 24 70 and then for 24 200. First in major support place around 23 890 and then 23 760. All three index in positive territory. We expect today's positive in all three index. Stock specific, we expect a positive momentum in Adani Fort. Yesterday, last half an hour, we saw some positive momentum in Adani Fort, and we expect this momentum to be continue. Second, ICICI Prudential also looks positive. Are given a good breakout in daily chart. All three major studies for showing the positive in ADX also given a good signal in ICICI Prudential. To expect upside momentum towards 670, 680, and major support place around 620, 18 in a downside. So ICICI Prudential looks positive in current level. Asian Paint also given a good breakout in line chart. To expect Asian Paint also a positive and moving towards 200 DMA, that's 3040. We expect this positive momentum in Asian Paint. That's it for technical derivative I can carry.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing, the buying has been continued in the market, and the trend has been clear right now for the market to be on the positive side. While on the OI front, as we have seen that 24,200 was acting as an important resistance zone where we are seeing that the call rate position was the highest, and once the Nifty gave close about that level, we are seeing that the liquidation started taking place. 24,200 and 100 strike due to which the momentum seems to be more powerful. On the upside, we are seeing that the resistance now we will face will be directly towards the 24,450 to 500 level. At 24,500 level, we might expect some sort of profit booking because now the important resistance zone which we are seeing is at 24,500. From last 2 weeks of trading session, we are seeing that continuously call at a position has been intact at 24,500 level, and it is not getting shifted on the higher end. So once if Nifty managed to get closing about 24,500 level, then only we might witness a new leg of buying in the market. But till the time it's not going about that level, so we might expect some sort of profit booking near 24,500 level. But on the downside, we are seeing that 23,800 to 900 is acting as an immediate support for the market. So once if profit booking comes, we might expect 400 to 500 points a downside. But again, we might see some Nifty to again hold the support on the downside toward 23,900 to 800 and so on. So currently till that time, on the intraday front, 24,300 is a supportive zone. On the future front, if 24,300 gets broken out, then we might recommend a new short position to be initiated and the profit need to be booked. But till the time Nifty is not breaking 24,300 level on the future front, till that point of time, long position should be holded. So overall view seems to be in the positive side. PCROI yesterday rise up sharply and giving close near 1.24 level from 1.15. So PCR is having upside range towards the 1.40 to 42 in today is a day of a trading session with the support of 1.12. While on the stock specific front, HDFC AMC looks positive. With that, ICICI Pru also looks positive in both this account. We are seeing that the fresh long position has been initiated from the OI front, and we might expect the buying trend to be continued in today's session also. So that's it from Better front. Thank you.
Good morning. So a lot of quarter one updates have come for banks and NBFCs. Firstly, Suryoday SFB update was positive compared to all others. The disbursement growth on a YOY basis was 46%. Advances and deposits both grew by 4.5% sequentially. So considering that for microfinance companies, the June quarter is a weak quarter after the strong March quarter. So despite that, growth has been decent at 4.5%. And on YOY basis, advances and deposits grew by 42%. Collection efficiency remained strong at 101% compared to March quarter at 100.6%. GNPA has remained flat. So it's a good set of update from Suryoday. Bandhan Bank update is neutral. Advances and deposits declined by 1% sequentially and increased by 22% YOY. As I said, this is more of a realistic picture of on a sequential basis for microfinance led companies. CASA ratio came down sharply from 37% in March quarter to 33% in June. Collection efficiency marginally declined for the MFI segment from 99% in March to 98.5 in June. L&T Finance update was stable, so that's why we think it's neutral. Retail disbursements grew 32% year on year. Retail advances came at 84,400 crores and now forms 95% of the total mix. Compared to last year, it was at 82% mix. So this increase in retail mix has been the major factor driving the stock higher. And if we see retail AUM, then that has grown 5.5% sequentially and 31% year on year. So strong growth continues over here. Bajaj Finance quarter one update is neutral. Customer franchise stood at 88 million and it was up 5% sequentially, 21% year on year. We have seen a similar kind of trend in the past also, and AUM stands at 3,54,000 crores, which was up 7% sequentially and 31% year on year. Thank you.
Yeah. Good morning. Persistent Systems has acquired a 100% stake in a US-based firm, Starfish Associates, for around 173 crores. So this company works in the engineering and communication space, and it had clocked around 70 crore sales in FY24. Persistent stock has gained around 15% plus in the last few trading sessions on the back of good revenue growth expectation in the upcoming Q1 FY25 quarter. And the stock is available 41 times FY26 expected earnings. So this acquisition news can be marginal positive for the stock. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Vedanta has come up with production volume figures, wherein alumina production has increased by almost around 36% year on year, mainly because of the starting of the new plant over there, and that has increased the capacity and resulted into higher production of alumina. But apart from that, if you take off aluminium, the growth is flat quarter on quarter and up by around 3% year on year, whereas oil and gas continue its decline on depletion of the flow from the well, and it has come off by almost around 17% as compared to the last year. And iron ore and pig iron productions are also more of a marginal up or down. And then finished steel production has also come up at increase of around 4% quarter on quarter, and also ferrochrome is up by around 4% quarter on quarter. So more of the production volume figures are more of a stable type of numbers which the company has declared. Apart from that, one of the company that is GET&D has declared two of their order booking of 64 million and 26 million, both from their parent company. So that will act as a 64 million euro and 26 million euro. So that will work out to almost around 700-800 crores of revenue order booking. So that will be executed over a period of 2 years. So this can act as a positive for GET&D. Apart from that, Brigade Enterprise also received one has enter into JV for one of the land parcels that is of 8 acres, and wherein they can develop around 1.28 million square feet, and the revenue generated from that can be around 1100 crores. So this is also positive for Brigade Enterprises. So that's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we had witnessed a rally in across commodities. So this rally should continue. One should buy on dips, gold around 70 to 250 to 200 levels, and silver one can initiate by around 91,500 to 91,300 zone. So we are eyeing for gold prices to test 72,850 to 73,000, and silver we are expecting prices to test 93,000, 93,500 on upside. So one can buy on dips. In metals, copper one can initiate a buy around 860 with a stop loss of 855. On upside, we are eyeing for 867, 868. Zinc, one can buy around 170 to 170, 150, and maintain a stop loss of 270. On upside, we are eyeing for 275 on the upside. So buy on dips in metals. Crude oil prices yesterday had tested the support area at 6,900. So there could be some pullback till 7,000, 7,020. And again, there could be some correction. So unless 7050 is broken, some profit taking might be witnessed from the higher levels. So there could be some range bound movement from 7050 to 6850. So trading within this range is recommended. And in natural gas, we are expecting a pullback. Prices are holding on the support at 202 levels. So buy for a pullback at pullback till 215 and maintain a stop loss of 195. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.